guys, si Mami Pingni. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take a video of my chestnut tree. Medyo mangit-ngit oy. So this one, the chestnut tree. This is the female chestnut tree, and the one beside is the male. So when you plant chestnut, it should be like a female and a male. So yesterday we have a lot of rain and knocked down the chestnuts fruit pods, and I came up this morning, the nuts are all gone. So this is the female. The nuts are all gone. The deer and the squirrel took all the nuts. So this is the female, this bigger tree, and down there is the male. That's the male. Kana siya nga punuan, laki na siya. Nya kani siya bayi sa female and the male chestnuts. So the male, there's not a lot of fruit this year. You can see up to the top, you can't really see it. If I tilt my camera up, it gets darker. So here it is. Usually the chestnuts, you can harvest it like end of September, but this year I don't know why it's late. So that's the chestnuts there. There's a lot of fruit up there, but you cannot harvest it like harvest because the pods are pricker. You only wait until the pods will be knocked down by wind or rain. And oh, there the sun is coming out. You can see it clearly here. That's the chestnut pods. And last night a lot got knocked down by yesterday by the rain, and the deer came and ate the whole thing. They all eat the nuts. You can't see any nuts now. Yeah, there's the proof. There's the proof that the deer is here. It's a first poop, the deer poop. So all that drops are all gone. The nuts are gone. They eat it. So here's the pods. Let me just this is the chestnut on the tree right there, and this is how it is before it got knocked down by the wind. It looks like that. The nuts is inside, and I can pick that, but I could not touch it with no gloves because it's a pricker. The pricker will really hurt your fingers. And here, like this one here, let me see. Ay, nara day. Nara oh. Ay ang unod, agay. Kay kasakit. Ew. Aron. Oops. I knock it. There it is. So I had to use my legs, my feet, to open it up like that to get the fruit. Where is that? I thought there's one there. Oh, there it is. gamay. So that's how it is. Na siya ubos o. So ang mga bear og maanhi dere, mulingkod lang sila niya. Kaon-kaon dayon sa akong chestnuts. They ate all my chestnut last year. I'm not able to harvest the chestnuts last year. So here is one here. It's not ready. It's still white. It's not, the middle part is brown. So when it turns brown, that's ready to pick. But most of those that got knocked down yesterday are not ready. Their fruits are still white. Yeah. And there's more up there. The chestnuts. Some the nuts already dropped, but the pod's still up on the tree like that. Okay, you can notice that the leaves of the female tree is smaller and it's lighter. Oh my god, there's a cat up there. There's a cat. Yeah. That crazy cat. That crazy mama cat up the chestnut tree trying to get some squirrel. So the male chestnut, the male one is this one here. The male chestnuts, the nuts are really bigger, but I could not see. I see if I can focus that thing. Where is it? No, I could not see it. Right there. So this is the male chestnuts tree. Ang iyang dahon is much larger and greener. That's the leaves. Alright. Thank you for watching my video. Amping tang tanan, and please take care of each other. See you in my next video. Bye.